Birthday's in a couple of days, so I'm about to start prepping. I'm about to be 33. And I ain't got no makeup on. And it's cold outside, so I'm about to get even more pale. What a little ass kid. If you're here, Charles, then you know if you know. I got the little. Anyway, this is like the best time to shop at Marshall's. Like, girl, Christmas time, 1/4, the best. Okay, girl, look at this. I found this at Ross for $6.99. I'm like, let me see, let me see what's going on up in here. I said, let me see if it's a good brand. And look, $20. This girl, period. I've been looking for something like this for over years, like over a year. I'm so happy. Yesterday, it didn't go as planned. My sister had needed me because she had got sick, so I had to pull back around and you know, it's my baby. Now we about to get back into my birthday maintenance wall because, baby, I literally started my day and she's like, I said, baby, on the way. Now I'm at my favorite beauty supply store. And if you're in Houston, you know the Beauty Galaxy. So, girl, I'm so happy I came off my period. My face still a little swollen because, I just came off my period. And sorry about the brightness, but let me see. Look. That's it. Y'all get so fly on my birthday this weekend. My birthday is Friday. Today is Wednesday. My birthday's on Friday. Girl, I'm about to show y'all something. I'm really about to show y'all. Come on. Like, girl, I love me a good press on. They could never make me hate you. So yeah, these, when I say I ease down on the press ons, baby girl, and if you don't, I mean, that's okay. I just don't like, I can't do stuff for too long. Like, one nail, I don't know. I'm not against getting my nails done, but I'm just not a fan anymore. But press-ons, baby girl, I ease down. Every little nail you ever seen me with, especially in recent years, is a press-on. Okay? I got the CC's, the Pruda. The little Chanel's. I feel powder. Cute. Oh, wait a damn minute. What the? I wouldn't do it. Girl, when I say this store go on and on, that's why I like it. It's in a cut. It's low key. It's not 10,000 people in here. Our OTD. Hey. Anyway, back to it. Let me try on these little hats to see if it's a little 1-2. Do you know it was not giving none? This one. Oh, this thing. I like this one better though. Like, it's just, and it's big hair friendly. You just get that winter. Hold on. Just get that winter aesthetic. Okay, I'm trying to bend over. You can get that winter. No, this is like an old lady street type. No. The pink lemon. When I say detox, digest, energize, they need it. Okay? And this, the peptides, collagen, it's what you lose. Now I'm in my 30s. It's what you lose. After like 25, you start losing collagen. Pull that, and the peptides, the pool is what helps your skin be togetherness. Collagen is what plumps the skin. peptides will keep it togetherness. It's kind of like when you stretch a rubber band out. It's small, and you stretch out, it's larger. It'll keep it this way. Collagen is gonna keep it stretchy and able to come back. The peptides is what's gonna make it still be like a rubber band instead of like breaking. Oh, do you get that? Okay. Get this photo shoot. But anyway, no, it's not gonna. I'm gonna show you the picture right here. Yeah. But I don't know if I should cut it. So I end up going with these, like, super cute. I was definitely going for that winter vibe. It's all gonna work out in the end because it always do. A foot. What is it? Peel? So yeah, foot maintenance. Foot. So for the foot peel, you use it and then 7 days later try to peel your foot. I definitely would do it. Cause you know, you come to New Year, shed them old feet, bro. Look at the results. Catch on the next blog. Love y'all down.